Hey guys, it's me Patrick. We're opening these Minecraft toy and this drastic roller. And you better remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell and subscribe. So now let's get into it. Let's do first of all. That doesn't show you which one you can get. I hope I get hope I don't get the same one that I got once. It's hard to open. There's no one you can get. Let's see that. Let's see what that.
We're going to start clicking these, aren't we?
Yes. These must be gold ones. What must be legendary?
What one do you think you got? Let's see.
I'll tell you what one I hope I didn't get. Where is it again? Because I already got it before.
Mom, open it up to see what one you got.
Yeah, you didn't get the same.
What'd you get, Joss?
Then here's some more. Yes, here's some more. I see it, but I don't see a rose for them. Here. But there might be a different one with a rose. Look, here's the one with not a rose. And here's the one I have with a rose.
Cool, right. Open Jurassic Park now, see what's inside this. We never have one of these before, didn't we? No?
Never.
Open it from the bottom, maybe.
The tape at the bottom. Did you see this at the bottom or what?
Yeah.
I think we need to take the wrapper off it. Leo must have woke up.
Mm-hmm. Do you want help, Patrick?
Look what's inside of it.
What?
There's slimy stuff.
Oh no.
I think we need a bowl for it.
Do you want me to open it and see?
I think I know how to do it now.
I think this.
No, you can open it. It looks too. It seems too hard. Done it. Do you see all that slime? Do you want me to try to do it again? I think you need paw from the bottom. But there, where's that wee arrow? I saw that wee arrow. Oh. How long is this going to take?
I can't get it because I'm holding the thing.
We need something to open this. Look at the slimy stuff.
Give me.
What did you do? Okay.
Sorry about that, guys.
We got it open. And look at all this putty.
What is it?
It's putty.
It's going to be a myth.
I see a dinosaur.
You do not.
I do. I see dinosaur bones.
Where? That's like the aliens live in the wee thing, slime.
Ooh. This is all slimy.
Let's see. What do you think of these toys? Now tell them before you go.
Good. There's one more toy, Hank. I thought I saw one other toy. This is slime as well right there. Let me see if I can see the other toy. I thought I saw a T-Rex.
I think you were seeing things, Patrick. What do you got to say now? What do you think of them? Were they good?
Aye.
And we'll do more car reviews again because we've got loads of stuff, haven't we?
Aye.
We're just going to do 2 today, like the girls. Say bye now.
Bye.